Good morning. I'm just waking up now, and yeah, before slept this morning, I took a trade on gold. This is the trade right here. Very, very painful trade. Why did I say it's painful trade? Because though the trade eats my take profit too, for this trade, I did not close this trade. Very, very painful. So now I just want to put this out there because it is very, very important that whenever you take a trade, as soon as you take it, put your take profits, put your SL, put everything, and then you can now start doing other things. So this morning, slept late, forgot to put my take profits. Trade came, boom, all the way. It take profits and just immediately shoot. So when I woke up around 7 o'clock this morning, and this trade already reach all the way up. Painful trade, so though. But how did I take this trade? Very, very simple. You want to look for, if you are still new to this concept of order flow, which is trading with volume data with datas in the market, then you are missing a lot. Now, what is order flow? Order flow is a tool that actually shows you the data behind every movement in the market. So you're not just trading based off candlestick. You are trading with informed decisions in the market. You are trading with clarity. You understand? So now, number one, I saw this formation of candle right here. So there's one thing about the market that I always tell my students is that whenever market is trying to push up, there's always an increase in volume, or whenever there's an increase in volume, market is trying to push up. So market has been bullish for some time, and then all of a sudden we can see the market got to this particular area. As you can see, market got to this area right here, got there, and as you can see, price rejected the bullish candle. Even though volume was increasing, price rejected the bullish candle. Now, that is what we call putting effort but no results. It happens in the market when a particular set of party, either the buyers or sellers, are trying to push the market up or down, but there is no result. The volume is high, everything is looking good, but the result is not coming forth. So that simply means that absorption is simply taking place. So buyers were trying to push price up, volume was increasing, they were trying to push price up, but no result. Price came, faded that high right there. So the high was faded at that particular point right here, and as you can see, boom, I was faded and market closed bearish. So that simply means something that price actually was trying to push price up, but they didn't have the result was not there. So you can see a break of structure of candles. You can see it now. This third candle was what this third candle, which is the second bearish candle, was what confirmed that move from me. Now, that is just one of them, sha. That's just one of them. Now, the second reason is because these candles actually gave me finished up auction. So what most of you will just be hearing this for the first time is what we call unfinished auction and finished auction. So whenever you look at your volume profile and you see the data on your volume profile, the up and the down data, which is the last figure, which is this 47x0, and this down one, which is 39x0, these are the closing and opening. These are like the major points in the market, the high and the close of the candle. So if um if market did not close, the auction did not close, did not finish well, coming, if the auction did not finish well, then that simply means that it simply means one thing. That means there was an unfinished auction. So what is an unfinished auction? It is when at a particular high and a particular low, the market is still buying and selling actively. So what the markets also do is that there's also be an agreement that, okay, at this particular price, for example, now you go and get a car, you want to get a car, you as the buyer, you have a price, the seller also have a price, so you guys bargain till you agree on a particular price, and that deal becomes sealed. So you can say, okay, I want to get this car for 25 million, and the car is 28 or 30 million. You guys go back and forth, and eventually the seller agrees, okay, let's do this for 25, and you make the payment. That is a fair value. That is done deal, a finished auction. But an unfinished auction is when the buyer or the seller does not agree. You understand? So at the end, at the eye of the candle or at the low of the candle, there's still activities. Even though that candle is about to close, there's still activities still going on at the high and the low. So if at the high you are seeing 47 times 5, or 47 times 1, or 47 times 2 or 3, that simply means activity still dey go on for that high. Or for the low, you see 30 times 5, 30 times, that means there's still activity dey go on for that area. So you can see that for this candle now, you can see 47 times 0, 39 times 0. The other candle, which is the bearish candle, at the end you can see 53 times 0, and this one 0 times 46. That means activities no dey go on. The candlestick close, and at the end of the candlestick there is a fair price that, okay, they don come, buyers and sellers dey agree say, okay, na this price we wan. You understand? So the last candle which confirmed it is also a finished auction. Now that is what actually gave the second confirmation that gave us that beautiful entry all the way to the downside. You can see how price just went and smashed TP, easy TP. Though I was not able to close because I was asleep and I forgot to set my take profit, which is kind of painful. But yeah, I just said, let me just explain this straight to you guys. Mona sef learn one or two today, so I hope you have learned one or two today as a trader. Yeah, so I'll be posting more videos like this on my YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, and share this video to your friends, to those struggling traders that you know, and that traders that want to actually improve, who want to improve for this their trading stuff. And send this video to them, make them sell, make they learn. You understand? So that'll be all for today, guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye.